This experiment wrapped up earlier than expected, as it quickly unfolded. The experiment was a no-view video, and getting into that state was very simple. Getting out was much more difficult. Let's take a look at what happened. I uploaded the video and didn't watch it for 24 hours, but I noticed I only got one impression, which means it was only shown once in that time, so there was no way for anyone to see it. It may as well have been private, so it became obvious that I need to move on to phase 2, seeding the views. I watched it as a subscriber, so 1 view, now 2 impressions. I know the second impression was directly to me. After that watch, no new impressions. The next day I watched it again on a non-subscriber account. 2 views and 4 impressions at this point. A day went by, no new impressions or views. Then something strange happened. I was back to 1 view and 6 impressions, making the click-through rate go down. It was literally draining views. I saw that with my own 2 eyes. It was going backwards, as if it wanted to be 0. That view no longer exists. It doesn't even show up in the stats. I tried pulling it up on a Google Nest, and that worked, with a laser beam shot. I watched it, and it registered a view. Then I followed that up with another non-subscriber view, and it registered. As of this video, here are the stats. The channel needs to build up a rep, and that can take several uploads before YouTube starts trying to find an audience. This can lead to no views. On my story channel, I noticed a draining effect as well, after not posting for a week or so. The views each day got smaller and smaller. YouTube stats are what we call eventual consistency, meaning they're not always up to date or accurate. I believe that there is evidence of this, that the stats engine does a purge of fake views, or views that it thinks are accidental, like a rollover view of a thumbnail. Still, I know I had a legitimate view taken away. It seems that popular YouTube educational channels ignore this phenomenon, or perhaps never see the bubble around small channels. However, going back to the original channel that prompted this experiment, it was well established and had 100 plus subscribers, 700 videos, and yet many no-view videos. Who knows if those videos once had views, but were taken away even that which they had. Perhaps we'll see you in another experiment, or perhaps it will disappear once again.